Now what I will do, I will take little bit like here and just blend it in a circular motion. I will just take a little bit flamingo shade. It's the little bit of pink. Just apply it here only and blend it towards this area, like this area. Yeah, and just go upward now. So now I will use the pink shade, like the pink sparkle, the donut one. I'm just taking my fingers and just dabbing it, like start from here and end here, and just apply it on this area. Don't go above this. I'm using the flat brush and just here. So that this area is also covered. I'm using the flat brush. You guys can also use the flat brush if you want. Yes, see. How pretty it looks. I'm looking like a Barbie. And this is how I apply the eyeshadow.